Hi guys, this is for everyone that has been missing. This is called the arithmetic sequence. First of all, I'm going to give you a sequence like this. You should know that 4, 10, 16, 22, they are just numbers in a sequence. So the first number will always be A1. The second number, A2, third number, A3, A4, AN. AN is a number unknown. We don't know what it is. So the N will always be unknown. In order to actually solve this sequence, I got to find the common difference. And according to my definition, it says start from the last number, subtract it by the previous number, and follow the pattern. So for this problem, the last number is 22. I'm going to subtract it by 16, the previous number, which gives me the total of 6. I will keep doing it until I do all of them. 16 minus 10 gives me 6. The last set of problems, 10 minus what? When all these numbers are the same, that is called the common difference. They all have a difference of 6. Going this way, we subtract. Going this way, we add. That's only when it's addition. I will do one with a negative later on. D equals 6. I'm a number on my homework 1 through 5. I'm going to ask you to do recursive and arithmetic. The only thing you have to do is place the things you know. For instance, on the recursive, it says AN. I don't know what N equals, so I'm going to leave it alone. Don't know what N equals. However, I know what D equals is 6. That's the recursive form. That's all I want. Same thing with the arithmetic. I don't know what N equals. However, A1 is from my sequence, my first term. For this case, for N, don't know what it is, leave it alone. My difference equals 6. 1 through 5. This is how you do it. I need the recursive, I need the arithmetic. That's simple. You haven't solved anything. The next problem is going to help you to do 6 through 8. It says use the following information and find the value of each. A1 equals 23, D equals negative 19. Find A17. Remember that, and I've been telling you that we don't know. Now we know. Every time you see a little number next to a letter, that's the N. So I'm asking you to find A17. Using this information, just to save time, I will tell you recursive helps me with nothing. The arithmetic is the one that will help me find any term. Finds any term. So N equals 17. I'm going to replace it. A1 is given there, equals 23. N is 17. Well, the 1 is there, so we got to follow it. My difference, negative 19. Simply put it in the calculator. And just to be safe, I'm going to eliminate that common mistake with the negative 1. Believe it or not, some people put it incorrectly in the calculator. So this is how I'm going to reduce the mistake. 17 minus 1. So A17 equals whatever you get from that, which just give me a minute. I got to put in the calculator. It gave me a total of negative 281. This one will help you to do 6 through 8. The next one is the one that takes a few more steps. The problem says, given a term in the arithmetic sequence and the common difference, find the first 5 terms. Well, and this one, I don't know what A1 equals. So that's our job. That's our goal, to find A1. Like I said before, recursive form helps me doing nothing. This is why it doesn't even have an in the formula. This one does. So I'm gonna use that one. So A1, I need that one. So let me split it up so I have space. So I'm gonna start with the arithmetic form. Remember, this one helps me find anything. I told you, every time you see a little number, that's the n. Value of n equals 55. A1, we don't know what it is. That's fine, leave it alone. N, 55. My difference, -7. I'm gonna start solving. Well, if you paid attention, this is the same as 595. So at this moment, I will replace those two numbers. So instead of 855, I'm gonna write 595. A1, don't know what it is, leave it alone, that's fine. I simply subtracted 55 minus 1, 54. -7. The next thing I can do, you see those two numbers? The parentheses, I can multiply them. If you multiply 54 times -7, it should give you a negative number, -3. 78. This became an equation. Now, in order to get rid of that -379, I do the opposite, which in this case is addition. A1 equals the addition of those two. 973. Now I can start my sequence of the first 5. I'm gonna start with that A1. So I'm gonna do it here, so bear with me. In order to get the next number, I use my difference. It's -7, so I gotta do 973 minus 7. I keep following the same pattern. The next number will be what, 959? This is the first 5 terms. This will help you to do the remaining of the homework. Again, this is the arithmetic form. Check out the next video, which will be the geometric. If you've been absent, here are the videos. If not, come for tutoring. You should know when you come to class when my tutorings will happen. All right.